Old Smoky on methanol. Watch this. Speed will build up to a certain point. Then it begins to slow down. Look at that. Now if I pull the burner out, which is still lit, speeds up again. My guess is the intense heat from the burner is warping the metal somewhere and impinging on the powertrain. So the methanol burner is no good for Old Smoky. And that's the smaller of the two burners too. With a proper sized burner, I couldn't even get the engine to start. The cylinder was just like it was locked. So obviously, too much heat can be a bad thing.